संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
ये कि कोरोना ने पूरी दुनिया को के जीने के तरीके को बदल दिया।
महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने लॉकडाउन 31 मई तक बढ़ा दिया है। सब संक्रमित हो रहे हैं।
So the big story right now, 80 cities across India in 7.
देखिए, कोरोना की हम बात कर रहे हैं, कोरोना को लेकर हर दिन नई
means I was scared to the death because I really didn't know what exactly lockdown means until it happened. I got many news whenever I opened my mobile. It was coming on everyone's feed. Hashtag 2020 sucks. Then ये साल ही बुरा है. सब कुछ like it was happening so fast, and I was constantly asking one question to myself, that how am I going to survive if this pandemic is. So I after having lot of negativity coming towards me, I was constantly thinking that now, yes, I'm also going to get hit by this pandemic situation, and I think I need to cut down my expenses and make few people work on 50% salary, or just stop working. Because I got to know many trainers from my field only, they are actually quitting their jobs and they are actually changing their fields. It was that bad, and yes, I was shattered completely. So the kind of mindset I was into is not that healthy, which I usually show it to on you people or Facebook or on Instagram. But yeah, so what happened exactly when I started thinking a lot about it, I got to know that okay, my core is in online training, and I'm the only one who's limiting myself, telling me this story of I need to go out, I need to travel, I need to meet people, I need to consult them personally, and then only I'm going to get a lot of good amount of work, which wasn't true. I believed in my school of thoughts. I believed that if I am able to do some kind of work online, then I can be doing it for the whatever time the lockdown is going to be. So whenever something bad happens to you, I think there are three options you have. Let it destroy you, let it define you, or let it strengthen you. So it is actually how you take it. When I was actually trying to make myself comfortable with it, with this pandemic situation, I was having one statement in my mind, that is adapt, change and improve. These three things I kept on repeating in my brain whenever something bad used to come in front of me, and I was willing to change myself, I was willing to learn new things, and actually this helped me a lot and made myself a little bit a better version of what I am today than yesterday. So I get this question more often, that how are you keeping yourself motivated and how you're always positive. First of all guys, what option you have, like what exactly you are going to do after you start cribbing about it. Okay, like if it is making you feel comfortable that you are accepting your defeat, then good for you. But there are few people I know personally, and we know there are few influential personalities who have actually achieved a lot of success within this pandemic situation. So the real thing is, who's the smart one? So I have one question for all of you. When exactly you are going to start?